We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone screen mirroring not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you're then unable to get your iPhone screen onto the other device. So the first fix you want to try doing is making sure the other device has got AirPlay enabled and also make sure that it's properly turned on as well. If you're sure of that, the next thing you need to do is make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. That's super key. You can go and check that in the settings. For example, here I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, so we need to be connected to that on the other device. What you can try doing as well is just going and turning Wi-Fi on and off. So on the iPhone, you can go and find Wi-Fi like so. And then what you can do is go and press it again and it'll then go and reconnect. And you can go and see if that goes and solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is performing a restart on the device. So we can go and press the increase volume button, then decrease and hold down the side power button. Keep this held down, and what you can do is go and restart the device you're trying to go and mirror to as well. Shortly, the iPhone screen will go black and you can release it when you go and see the Apple icon, like so. The restart has now been successful. I'll just connect to the Wi-Fi again, and as I said, you can restart the other device, and then what we can try doing is connecting to it. So we can drag down on the control center, press the screen mirroring button, and hopefully it will then go and find the device. What's important to note as well is on the other device, you may need to go and accept it, so make sure you're not missing any pop-up regarding that. And that's it, we're now successfully screen mirroring.